We're here with the 2016 to 2021 Lexus LX570 Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. In this video, we're going to show you how to get CarPlay set up. On your device, you'll get this pop-up if you open settings or the first time you turn it on that says Enable Wireless Connectivity. Click OK. Now on your iPhone, wait until you see the new Hamilton device appear and click it. A pairing code will pop up, click Pair. Allow favorites and contacts, click Allow. And if you get a code to use CarPlay, click Use CarPlay. Now CarPlay should automatically appear. Click Use CarPlay. And just like that, CarPlay is here. Now you can change the wallpaper in CarPlay by coming here, clicking Wallpaper, and changing it to any one you would like. This replacement screen will be fully touchscreen and compatible with your factory mouse. We have one very important thing to do back on the factory side. Long holding the menu button for 3 seconds will take you back to the factory side. You need to set your audio mode on the factory side to the auxiliary mode. Our system is going to play music through the auxiliary mode. Of course, you can listen to XM radio through your factory XM radio or FM radio and have it showing CarPlay. But if you want to play music via Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, or any other CarPlay app, you need it to be in aux mode. We have done extensive testing, even in this Mark Levinson vehicle, and you will not lose any audio quality. Our system maintains 100% of your factory audio quality. If, for whatever reason, you feel that you don't want to use aux mode and you'd prefer to use your factory Bluetooth, you cannot use that by default, but if you'll shoot an email or a call to our customer service team, we can quickly reconfigure your device to use factory Bluetooth instead of aux mode.